morning, guys.
So I bought this bag online and told my sales agent to have it delivered to the Queenstown store as I was about to have my vacation there. So this is the iconic orange box from LV, and let's go unbox it. Dust bag with the blue strands, and voila, here she is. So pretty. So this is the Josh backpack in Monogram Macassar. It has very refined detailing in a sophisticated construction. It is very roomy inside actually. Very lightweight as well. And it keeps my belongings organized, secure, and easily accessible. So this one, as you can see, the Louis Vuitton Paris stamp. And the metal hardware on the side. It's made of canvas, and on the rear top of the bag is another Louis Vuitton Paris stamp. So this one is made in France, very lightweight, just love it. Some people might ask, why are you buying such an expensive bag, Rob? Well, this bag will forever remind me that nothing is impossible. That if you really want something so bad, you can make it happen. You have the power to build limitless. Enjoy your youth. Enjoy what life can offer. Save money wisely, while also experiencing tiny pleasures of life. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you on the next video.